Okay, what about if they bring for you like this? Okay, they bring for you Z, they bring for you P, and then Q there. And then they bring here as 5, here they bring 4. And then they tell you find QZ, which is the distance, QZ. And then they put for you the 90 degrees here. Okay, so the first thing you do first, before you reflect the sides. So if this is capital P, meaning small p will be here. If this is capital Z this side, meaning Z the opposite side again. So Z will be that one. And then if this is Q this side, meaning the opposite this side will be Q in smaller letters. Have you seen? And then now to write the formula, you always start with where the 90 degrees is facing. You see, the 90 degrees is facing this side. That's where you're going to write the formula. So it means my formula will start with Z. 90 degrees is facing this side. This is where Z is. So I'll start with Z small is equal to P small squared plus Q small squared. So Z squared is equal to P squared plus Q squared. You see? You see? So this Z squared is equal to this P squared plus this Q squared. You always start with the one where the 90 degrees is facing. Okay. So what do you have there? What is Z squared? Z squared is what? You see, Z squared, is it given Z? You see, Z is given, as you can see, Z there is 5. So it means on Z you put what? You put 5. So it will be 5 squared is equal to P squared. What is my P squared? P squared, I do not know. You see, P squared is here. It's P. I don't know it. So it means on P squared, I just put P squared. But Q squared is 4. So here, P squared, I'm looking for it. Plus Q squared is 4 squared. Okay? So I rearrange this. What do I have? I group the like terms. P is positive when it crosses this side to be negative. P squared is equal to what has remained this side. Since P has gone this side, it was positive when it crosses the equal sign. It comes where 5 is. 5 and then 4 squared. 5 squared where? Actually, yeah. So what do you have there? This is positive P squared. When it crosses this side, becomes negative. What do you have? 4 squared minus 5 squared to cross the equal sign. It will become 5 squared the other side. So negative P squared is equal to negative P squared is equal to 4 squared is 16 minus 5 squared is 25. So 25. So negative P squared is equal to 16 minus 25 is negative 9. When you reach here, you divide both sides by negative 1, so to remove the negative from the P. So this one comes out, okay? What remains there is P squared. So this negative here cancels that negative there. Only 9 remains. And it will be P squared is equal to 9. And then P squared is equal to 9. You square root both sides to find P. So P is equal to 3. You see? P is equal to 3. And then in the question they said, find QZ. And QZ is P. So you say, therefore, QZ is easy. You see? So therefore, QZ is actually 3. Because QZ is P. That's how you do it.